maybe a kilometre an hour too, just slightly better, and he uses it to his advantage. Bang, down the inside for the lead. Crisscross on the other side. Outshoots Mostert. Great motor racing between these two guys as Chazzy fires one back and gets to the lead. Cam up on the outside at the final corner.
That is as good as it gets. That exchange is absolutely outstanding driving from both parties.
Oh, lock Waters at the critical moment, and he opens the door again, but can he hang on? He's got a tiny grip advantage. He tries to close the door. There's a tiny overlap, and Cam recognises it.
Will Davison has made an immense amount of ground. Another late move, and he only just gets it stopped there by Cam Waters.
Now, Davison could be the ultimate beneficiary if this gets too ugly and gets too willing. Davison.
Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona wewe Mombali nanga Mama yake kama na
What's going on here?
Let's have it.